Hello there, adventure hounds. We're here today at Royal Enfield Motorcycles of Fort Worth, MJ Motorcycles. We're bringing you a really cool bike. This recently came in. This is a 2020 model Sherco 450 factory. It's a pretty cool wild trail machine with the aquapuffing exhaust and the Noble tires, headlight and tail light. Turn this little guy on. It has 872.9 miles. There you go, friends. It's a quick look at the 2020 model Sherco 450 factory. If you'd like to check on the availability of this bike or have any other questions or concerns, give us a call at 817-834-1392. You can also view the full listing on our website at royalenfieldfortworth.com.